Hello friends, very good afternoon. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, are you watching my videos the first time? Kindly subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon to get regular notification when we are updating any video. So this video, we are going to discuss about the Tradetron strategy creation that we have created yesterday, a strategy which is a long straddle with a long strangle. So what we are going to do here in this strategy, now it is working perfect and well. So how we done the trade, or what is the system we are going to focus in this one, what we have done on the coding yesterday. So I hope you are seeing that video how we are creating the code. So what we have done, so we are going to do ATM call option plus put option. We are going to sell in the morning, right? That was we created. To get the margin benefit, we are buying OTM call and as well as OTM put, that we have created an algo platform. So it will automatically execute your trades on your trading account with while whenever you integrate that in a Tradetron. So what happened, we say to select the premium range is 20 rupees for the call as well as 20 rupees for the put. So it's selected initially. When the time is after 9:30, we are going to execute the trade. That is what the condition we are given on our yesterday's video. So that to a 20 rupees call as well as put, we are going to buy. So that already is bought, and let's check it out. And we are going to sell the ATM option with a 25% stop loss, right? So that was we are mentioning about the 25% stop loss for the trade that is also placed. So what happened today's trade, and here at 9:30 it was taken, the premium is 22.35, that is what 36,300 call where it is selected, and the put option which is 34,600 that is selected by 20.6. So you check the time where it has happened around 9:38. Okay, 9:38 this was entered because we have some issues and then we cleared it out and then we deploy it out. So it was taken 9:38. That is what our buy option, which is triggered by almost 22 and 20, right? So we are given the concept to select the option premium which is ranging near about 20. This is not we are selecting based on the strike price. We are simply selecting based on the premium on this OTM options. Based on premium, we have selected that OTM options, right? And at the time of 9:30, 9:40, the ATM strike prices which is traded 35,600. That is what the 35,600 is the price. So it is taken, so the entry, the buy is taken around 9:38. After 1 minute later, it will take the sell position in the ATM straddle. So now if you are doing that, so around the ATM straddle is around 35,600. So we are not making any target or stop loss for the buying position. That is, we are going to take for a margin benefit. That is the only key we are going to take as a margin benefit. And remaining position, that is what where we are making the straddle, we keep the stop loss around 25% for each leg. Right now we done each leg 25%. Let's calculate. It is 189.55. So where it is sold 189.55 with the 25% of the stop loss, we will get 189. So 236. Now our stop loss for the trade is around 236 point something, 36.4. But here we have the slippage. It is triggered by 239. This is the paper trade. When we are doing the live trade, the slippage little bit high. To protect that, so we can use SLM orders to make it, but SLM orders doesn't work in a paper mode, right? So that is why we are not applying. So we are giving the condition where whenever the 25% of my premium is increased from my sell entry, I'm going to exit, or the robo will exit that position. So it closed the call option, but the 35,600 put option still it is running. We sold around 230. Now the market price of that option is 38 rupees. So now on today's scenario, the 36,300 call, that is so far out of the money which we have bought, 36,300 call on 5th August, from 20 it reaches 130. So most of the time this out of the money options will not give you the better result. So it moves to from 22 to 130. Okay, now it is trading 77. So most of the time this will not happen, because today market moved that bank nifty, it has increased more than around 800 points. That is why this premium is spikes over almost 20 to 130. But this premium is trading now 20 we sold, and now it is trading almost 11 rupees, not big loss. So in today's scenario we got some good profit on that start straddle. We are managing with the stop loss, that is also giving you such a profit, right? So we lost around 1,200 and 4,700 is the profit, almost 3,000. We got the ATM straddle with the 25% at the stop loss. But here we have taken that OTM strangle, right? So that is also giving you such somewhere around 1k profit. So overall profit which is generated around 4,000. To execute this trade, we required margin. Let's check the margin, what is exactly required for the trade if you are doing with this kind of strategy. So we are going to calculate since bank nifty on the 5th expiry 35,600, that is the ATM options we are going to sell, call plus whatever the price we sold it out, the morning we sold it out. Let us update that price also. 36,300 call was taken a buy, that time the price is 20 rupees, it taken that buy, and the same time the next strike prices, that is what, 34,600 put option. 600 put option was taken. Yes, now as of now it is calculate the margin, so we will add what are the price, and 3622, and this put option was 20.6. Let's add that, where we have entered 22.35 modify, this one 600 put. Just a second, we have sold this, we have got the 34,600 put. It's exactly 34,600 put we taken around 22, right? August. As of now, the margin required for the trade is around 60,000, right? So when I do apply this strategy, my required margin is around 60,000 to trade this. And we have some management on the positions where we have taken this call option 35,600 around 189 and 239 we have exited. So if you have keep carry without making any stop loss, still the position is making around 1,200. So where we have enter and exit that call option 35,600, 189, 239. We entered by 189 and we exited by 239. So that was what entry and exit. That position is got exited, and now something wrong. Yeah, that put option where we sold. That is what another we should update. 35,600 we sold at 230. Let's update this. We sold at 230, and now it is trading. So now the 4,493 is the profit. Let's say almost 4,700 is showing. So the margin required for the trade, because we have exited one leg, now margin reduced. But if you are keeping that all the position in the way, so the margin is required around 60. So we can easily do this strategy by using a capital of 1 lakh. So we can do in intraday based on the robot mode. So it will automatically execute the live trade on your broking account, right? So if you want to know more about the strategy, or if you want to create your own, you can follow the strategy. Or if any strategy if you want to know, so you just message me, we will provide you, and we will create a strategy for you also, as you required any kind of information about strategy creation. So we can create a personal coding too, then you can get your benefit. So the number provided in the description, or you can see the number scrolling on this video, so you can contact the number to get more detail about the strategy creation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on this video below. Thank you.